Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the big surprises coming to you in the year 2024. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. But if you're looking for a reading personalized to your current situation, I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account, and you'll be able to choose from the hundreds of readers who are online right now. These readers each have unique specialties designed to provide a deeper understanding of your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your needs, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can have a reading in an instant whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you don't have to wait for a schedule. Keen has been my go-to psychic app whenever I need some clarity or confirmation, especially in making decisions. My favorite psychic from Keen has always been very helpful, and her insights always fit my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 10 minutes for only $1.99. And that's already a great deal to start. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to save big on your first reading. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is the cheapest psychic reading you could ever have online. Imagine it's only $1.99 or 110 pesos, and that's already a 10-minute private reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Aquarius, let's see what are the big surprises coming to you ngayong 2024. Ayan. So, ano ang inyong mga hopes and wishes for 2024? I-comment nyo dyan sa comment section. Excited na ba kayo for 2024? Ayan. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook page, TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check my Shopee, link on the description. Okay, so Aquarius, let us see ano ang mga surprises o harvest. Ang daming may harvest ngayong 2024. So this is about harvesting what you have worked for. Yung mga pinagtrabahuhan mo, in-effortan mo ng mga nakaraang taon, nakaraang buwan. So harvest season na. Oo. So, maaring, may mga investments kayo na ngayong 2024 nyo mararamdaman yung kikitain nyo. Some of you naman pwedeng magiging interested kayo sa agriculture. Pwedeng magtatanim-tanim kayo, literal. Good cheer. Ayan. So, maaring you will meet a friend, a very good friend, na kung saan very supportive siya sa mga ginagawa mo. And I also see you na gaining more popularity ngayong 2024. May mga admirers ka. Oh, wow! Ang ganda naman. May abundance. Tingnan nyo. May harvest dito. So, masaganang ani. Literal. So, abundant harvest for you, Aquarius. Whatever you are working on. So, ngayong 2024, makikita nyo yung resulta niyan, no? Yan ay magiging worth it for you. And I also see you na sharing your blessings sa ibang tao. So, maaring kayo ay, may mga magdo-donate kayo or may mga tutulungan kayong charitable institutions. The more you are helping other people, the more na mas i-bless kayo. So, let us see. Oh, may child. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magkakaanak or mabubuntis, or you might also be focusing on your children kung kayo ay may mga anak na. Yung iba naman, this is bringing out the child in you. Maaring you are healing your inner child. Heart and home, happy home, security, ang ganda. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will also be focusing on pag-aayos ng inyong bahay. So, yung iba pwedeng magpapaayos kayo ng garden ninyo or lilipat kayo sa isang lugar, sa isang bahay na may bakanting lote na pwede nyong pagtaniman. Oo. Provincial. Oo. Province vibes. Ganyan. You also have, merong yung iba sa inyo maaring magkaroon ng admirers na very aggressive. Yung tipong talaga siya, mag-e-effort. Oo. Be careful lang sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo or sa mga taong lalo na kung merong romantic interest sa'yo. So, meron din ditong betrayal or cunning. Merong hindi magandang intentions towards you. Especially if this is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, be careful. And I also see sa business, no, kung meron kang negosyo na susubukan mo na you will partner with someone, you have to make sure na kilala mo tong taong to, and kung kayo naman ay magkaibigan, make sure na meron kayong maayos na kontrata, no? Oo, lalo na kung may perang involved, syempre, para iwas problema in the future. Okay. So, let's see. Ace of Cups. I think you are becoming more open sa relationship ngayong 2024. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, medyo natagalan na walang relationship. So, ngayon, mas mas nag-e-explore. Oo, yun nga lang, medyo careful, no, sa mga pagkakatiwalaan ninyo. Yung iba talaga magkaka-baby. Pwedeng kayo mabubuntis o kayo mahabuntis. But the Empress is also about abundance. So, this is abundance of creativity, knowledge, and ang dami ritong synchronicities ng nature. So, some of you will be spending more time with nature, or pwedeng mas madalas kayo pupunta sa farm. Yung iba naman sa inyo, magtatayo kayo ng sarili nyong farm. 'Di ba? You have the Three of Cups. So, this is celebration. May friendship rin, no? So, I think you will be connecting more with a lot of people. Pwedeng makikilala mo tong romantic partner mo sa mga kaibigan or sa mga gatherings, no? Pwedeng ipapakilala siya ng friend mo, tapos doon magkakaroon na ng romantic connection. Meron din ditong Three of Wands, sa may mga travel opportunities rin para sa inyo, Aquarius. I think you are growing, no? May expansion ng career mo, ng business mo. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang what you have been doing in the past. Kasi very, tawag doon, hardworking. Yes. You also have the Five of Pentacles. So, isa rin to sa kailangan mong pag-ingatan doon sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo sa pera. Oo, kasi meron ditong betrayal. So, maaring meron dyan na makipag-partner sa'yo sa business, or manghiram sa'yo ng pera tapos hindi naman na pala ibabalik, na posibleng magkaroon lang kayo ng problema in the future. So, this is also a reminder sa'yo na pangalagaan mo yung iyong kaperahan. Oo. Hindi porket maraming blessings, gagastosin mo na. So, you can also help others, and at the same time, save for the rainy days, 'di ba? Let's see. You are the truth seeker, awakening, actualizing, transcending. How can you invite more grace to guide you? Yes. So, spiritual awakening for some of you, Aquarius. Mas lalo nyo nilalaliman yung pagkakakilala nyo sa sarili nyo. You are being more connected to your emotions. your feelings, mas nagiging authentic yung connections mo with other people ngayong 2024. Ayan. So, I think you will also dive into the spiritual community na yung iba sa inyo, you are into the occult, you are into spirituality, tarot, astrology, anything na mystical. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.